Hi, this is Shalene from CDOCS. Today's tip of the day is actually delivering your prepared attachment template in the mouth. Now that you've prepared your surfaces that are to receive the attachments, what we recommend is to section your arch tray into half, so you're going to be delivering by quadrants. It'll make it a lot easier to ensure that you can properly secure the attachment template while you are working around the mouth and curing it, such that your attachments are going to have the best actual intimacy with the enamel interface. Now that your aligners or your attachment is sectioned in half, what you're going to do is you're going to put one of that quadrant down. You're going to apply pressure from at least 2 fingers on the incisal or the occlusal surface. And then if you can, with the 3rd finger, you're going to apply it from the facial. You're going to go ahead and then take a wax spatula. You're going to go on all 4 sides of the attachment, squeezing against the tooth. You have your expression hole, so there's the path of least resistance, so the composite's going to come out that front side. You're going to wipe that all away. And then this is the key. You're going to go ahead and use your curing light, and you're going to actually go from the lingual first and cure from there. And that's what it's going to, that light and that curing process is going to drive and pull the attachment composite towards the tooth. You can then, after curing one iteration on the lingual, flip to the facial, do it directly facial, and then we recommend to do one side, whether it's the gingival, the mesial, the buccal, or the incisal. And then when you're all finished, you'll go ahead and peel off the attachment template, and hopefully all your attachments are stuck onto the teeth. I hope that this is of help. Don't forget to always enhance that orthodontic and restorative relationship, and make sure to refer those patients by the age of 7 to your local orthodontic team. Thank you so much.